think of the condition of the present day kids. Which disease is most common among the present day kids, and which disease causes more concern with the parents of these kids? Is it asthma or some other disease? I agree, common cold is very common, but which concerns the most for the parents is a dental caries or a tooth decay. What is the reason for this tooth decay and how to prevent this tooth decay? Let us see. I am Dr. Muthukumar and I am going to explain to you the methods to prevent tooth decay and how to treat them. First, let us see the reason. There are 4 important factors which cause tooth decay. So for tooth decay to happen, first you have to have teeth. Then there should be food on the teeth for the decay to happen. So when food and the teeth interact, there will be some microorganisms which will form on the teeth. And this microorganism should act for a period of time. So time is the 4th factor. So there should be teeth, there should be food, there should be microorganism, and these all should act for a period of time. So among these 4 factors, you cannot take away teeth, you cannot prevent eating food, you cannot prevent the microorganisms. So which you can prevent is the time. So how can you prevent time? It is very easy. You have to brush regularly. For example, if you brush just once a day, you brush 7 o'clock in the morning and the next day 7 o'clock you brush again, the microorganisms have 24 hours time to act on your tooth, to produce acids on your tooth and cause tooth decay. If you brush twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, you give the microorganisms only 12 hours a day to act on your teeth, and this is not sufficient to cause tooth decay. So if you brush regularly twice or thrice a day, this will certainly help in preventing tooth decay. What are the other means of preventing tooth decay? So correction of malaligned teeth. Some people will not have a proper alignment of teeth. The teeth some may be forwardly placed and some may be backwardly placed. So this type of arrangement, the cleaning of the teeth becomes very difficult and food will get stuck between the teeth. So you can do orthodontic treatment, which is the braces treatment, and get this teeth aligned. There is another treatment called Pitt and Fisher treatment, which I will be explaining in another video. And then you can use fluoride varnishes. This can also be used to treat or prevent the teeth decay. So these are the main methods to prevent teeth decay. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, do click the like button and share it, and also subscribe for the channel. Thank you.